Hello everyone. Today I have come up with a main landmark case which is we have heard, we have read in newspaper, in Google. When we search the landmark cases, it is the landmark case and it is a listed case out of that. That is the main thing. Basically all the law students are known about this case. This case is so important and it is a vital case. Everybody should know the landmark cases. What are the landmark cases? Landmark cases are the cases which are passed by the Supreme Court, High Court, and some changes have been inbuilt in that cases. So, this Shah Bano Begum case, it is also that much important. It is the case during the 1985. Now we will see that what was the case. A 73-year-old woman called Shah Bano. She was divorced by her husband using triple talaq. What is triple talaq? In triple talaq, 3 times I divorce you, I divorce you, I divorce you. It is been pronounced. Okay. And it was denied for maintenance. She approached the courts and the district court and the high court ruled in her favor. This led to her husband appealing to the Supreme Court, saying that he had fulfilled all the obligations under Islamic law. What is Islamic law? It is the personal law of Muslims. Okay. So, the Supreme Court ruled in her favor in 1985 under the Maintenance of Wives, Children and Parents provision, which is the section 125 of All India Criminal Code, that is CrPC, which applied to all citizens irrespective of religion, and further it recommended that a uniform civil code be set up through this case. In the last video I have shared you about the UCC and it was passed through this case. So you can give the reference of this case to the UCC whenever you mention about the UCC cases or anything you explain about UCC. So what are the facts about Shah Bano case? Under Muslim personal law, maintenance was to be paid only till the period of Iddat. What is Iddat? 3 lunar months, that is roughly 90 days. Section 125 of CrPC, means Criminal Procedure Code, that applied to all citizens provided for maintenance of the wife. What was its impact? After this historic decision, nationwide discussions were there, debates were carried, meetings were arranged, and agitations were held. Then, government under pressure passed the Woman of Muslim. It means that Muslim Women's Act. What was in that? Right to protection on divorce. In short, MWA. And this act was passed in 1986, which made section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code inapplicable to Muslim women. I hope that all of you understood the Shah Bano case and how it is important in UCC, how we can give the reference to the UCC, and what 125 section of CrPC plays important role. This is all covered in this case. It is a short, simple, but it is up to mark. That is a landmark case that all of you should know. So I have tried to explain the case in short, so it will be easy to remember and you can use in your important judgments, in important meetings, in your explanations, or anything. Thank you.